Fuck off. Look at the size of these bastards. Three of them. Just gone underneath my line. We'll see if I can draw that in. Yes, the people, this is AzztecMedia. We're back again. We're out here to do some urban, and we are absolutely out in the sticks on the canal. Big yourselves up, people. Yes, the people, we're on the float. I'm going to try to float on the canal. Bit of sweet corn. Let's see if this can pull anything in off this canal, people. I've only just got here. I've only just got here, people, so we're going to get straight on it. So that's it, people. We've got our first cast in. We're bobbing nice. Big yourselves up. I've got the cup of tea. Anybody buying us a coffee, the link's in the description. One love always to them positive people. Yes, people. So everybody, please like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff for me. It's AzztecMedia, AaronAngler. Yes, people. So we're out here. We're banking it. We're on the canal, people. A bit of this urban fishing. Oh, look at that, a nice big ring there. There's quite a few here biting. And I've just got my float there with a nice piece of corn on it. Give you a look down the banks. Yes, people, so we've had a few bites there, man. We're having a few bites there. So what I've got today is I'm on the worm. I've got worms, we've got imitation bread, we've also got bread, we've got a bit of sweet corn as well, guys. So best of hope. And there's quite a few bites here, quite a few circles. So what I'm going to do in a minute, guys, I think I'm going to switch onto a bit of bread and get that first catch in for the day. Big yourselves up. One love always. It's AzztecMedia, AaronAngler. We're out here urban fishing. Big yourselves up. What we'll try is try a bit of nice bread on there. See what happens. Yes, lovely afternoon this, guys. Got some more circles popping. There's definitely lots of fish in here. I can see them as the sun's like coming across the shadowy bits. I can see in the water them swimming past. Just had another big circle there, just where my float is. So I've left the line quite slack there because I just want it to just flow nicely and just hope for it'll just attract that nice little pinch. The waters are nice. It's a nice quiet area. In a minute I'm going to wrap up a sick 420. I need to position the camera right so we can get a good aim on what we're doing, guys. But big yourselves up anyway. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. Much appreciated, people. One love. Yes, the people, so we're on the fucking worm. Out here just building my little 420 up. Yes, the people, so we've got some of the finest. We're out here now on the bank, billing and fucking joggers and walkers, man. Sitting by the dock of the bay, watching my tides roll away. Ooh, sitting on the dock of our bay, wasting time. Come on the fishes. Be nice to have a bit of perch or a bream. I'm a bit scared of the pike, but I'll take it. You know what I mean? If it wants to land, it'll fucking land. We're having it. Just had a bit of a bob there. The one thing that I didn't get is the mag, because the angling shop near me has all of a sudden closed down, and it's pissed me off a little bit because I struggle now to get me fucking stuff unless I'm buying it all online. I think that's what the guy said in the shop. That's where it's all going now. Shops are closing because everyone's buying online. Right, let's get it over there in the far reeds. Oh, that was a shit one. Bring it back, bring it back. The worm's still on. There you go. Have a bit of that one. Have a bit of that one. We're further back towards a tree over there. How's that? Come on the fishes. Let's be having you. Absolute AzztecMedia. AaronAngler on it. Urban fishing, doing it. We just need them fucking fish gods to bless us, man. I don't know why they're not taking this worm, because it's fresh out of the back garden soil. See. Yes, the people. So I've just had a couple of walkers go past telling me that a bit further down they had a mate of theirs up there, and he's caught a couple of bream out of this. Now it is true that seems to be a lot of bream in this canal, because we was riding the bike the other day and there was a dead one there, so that's what's brought me out on the bank today. So I think I might have to change up my tactics. If I don't catch on the float today, I am going to switch it up and switch my gear into a pike gear, and let's see if we can get a pike in the net. Big yourselves up, one love always. We're out here, we're doing it urban style. So guys, I don't know if it's worth trying the worm, or do we just get a bit more on with the bread? I don't know. The sweet corn didn't seem to be doing the trick. So what I'll do is I'll take the sweet corn off. Yeah. We'll try and get some bread on. I do.
Come on, Ashley. So I was just thinking, give me a kettle, I didn't get it wrong. That means we've got something to give him on Monday.
Hello lad. Right, yes people, so we're not messing about. Picked up that daddy out of the garden yesterday. Got a fatty on that. Yeah, plenty of life in him. And he's going straight on the hook, mate. As we are after a fish today. Sorry pal. Hooked you bro. And I'll double hook him as well, to be on the safe side people. So yeah man, let's get it. We've got the worm, we've got the worm. Big up Wayne worm. Just put it in lightly people. Bring us into the action. So I'm waiting for this. If something's taking this worm right, then we're on bangers, mate. We're fucking laughing. There's fish in the reefs over there. Come on, the people. AaronAngler at his best. We're out here urban fishing. We're on the worm, we're on the float. We've got the trusty whiz app. Come on, the people. Let's have ya. Thinking I should have got it over there a bit more. Tell you what, there's lots of fish here, man. bait box, and then I can sit you on the bait box. There's people at the back of me there. There's some big ass woods. Goes down, man. Don't know whether to take the trusty whiz up down there, because I know that there's a river that runs down there as well. So we've got the best of both worlds here. We've got the canal and we've got the river for trout. At the minute, my mission today is hitting something off the canal. That's what we want, people. This is the AaronAngler channel. We are sponsored by Grass City, so you can get 10% off with the code Aztec. What you have to do, guys, is get in the description box. You'll see a link there. Use that link, and when you come to the checkout, use code Aztec, and you'll get your 10% off, guys. One love always. Big yourselves up. What I'll do is I'll stop nattering on, and I'll turn you the other way so you can get to it. What I'm enjoying right now, people. So you're on the water edge with AzztecMedia. AaronAngler at his best. Gonna go and get me cup of tea off the old bike. Keep your eye on that float, people. I bet there's some pike over there in their margins. I'm sure I've just seen something go past in the water. Really could do with getting some of them glasses, you know, it reflects the sun so you can actually see. And I could do with getting them for when I'm riding my whiz up, that absolute Azzron. Because yesterday I almost crashed the bike because a fly went straight into my eyeball and almost fucking blinded me. It's got the freshest of worm on this, man, and nothing's just like, you know, wanting it. What's going on? But this is another thing as well, it can just all of a sudden go. See if I can zoom these in a bit. So the floater where that tree. Yes, the people, so we're chilling back. We've got the coffees. Big yourselves up if you're treating me to a coffee. I've got to shout out my brother, Mr. Murphy. Hope you're watching, mate. Big love to you always for the coffees. Big love to me Julie, me Mr. Burns, me Rastafari. One love to you guys. One love to Lauren and the kids. One love to the Green Goblin, Casper and all the boy dems over there at Medbud UK. And yeah, big yourselves up. We're out here self-medicating, you know, getting a bit of nature in us, resetting my mindset, and you know, hopefully on the hunt for some nice fish if we can catch some. Okay, come on, the fish. Oh, let's give it another cast. It just looks a bit dead. What the fucking worms there? Should we keep it quite close? Just see what happens. Keep it quite close there. So you can keep an eye on it and I can keep an eye on it. I suppose we don't always have to go right out to the other side, because there'll be just as much fish along this side. But with this being the running path and the walking path, you know, there's a good chance to be on that further side. It's a bit quieter. Bring my rod back a bit in case it snags. I'm into a shot of it. I've got some imitation flies. I've got imitation sweet corn in all different colours. So I thought I had to try some of them as well in a little bit. So look at the view, people. Howdy. Howdy. Man are getting about on a canal. What I'm going to do is flick a bit of bread towards the back, just to see what happens. Because if this chub, they're going to be right in the back weeds, probably where the fucking pike are. So if I flick a bit out, at least we can see if it's taken or not. So you guys keep yourselves there, keep yourself on that float. I've just floated a bit of bread on the top there, people. If something takes that bread, we're coming straight off the fucking float and we're floating bread today, mate. So I can keep my eye on that bread for a little bit, see what happens. What I should do is flick this worm next to him as well, just to keep it more fucking entertaining. So we're over here now, guys. So we're over there anyway. How do, ladies? I thought something had took the bread then, but it's not. The bread's still there. The fucking worm's still there. What's going on, fish? Okay now. Can't see the bread now, I don't know what's happened to the bread. I think we fucking had it off quick. Oh yeah, I can see the bread. The bread's still there, it's not been taken. It's like they know what they're doing, man. It's like the fish know what's going on. AzztecMedia just turn it up, trying to fuck up the base. But what I do like is where I'm sat now, the trees are overhanging. So if you was to get any like worms, grubs, bugs, caterpillars, anything like that, that drops off into the water, that's what they are going to be eating. But if that is the case, then it's going to be like a Chinese buffet on here, innit? For fish anyway. Because there's just fucking hundreds of trees and flies everywhere. I've got a duck now. Fucking duck has sniffed out the bread. Look at this little cunt now. Cheeky little cunt, watch. Look at him, is he coming shot yet? Cheeky little bastard. Yes, the people. So we're out here, you know, taking a bit of time out, getting that mindset straight, people. We're on the hunt for the fish. I know this fish here, I can feel that this fish here but for some reason they're not interested in my worm fresh out of my garden. So yes, the people, I want to thank everybody that's liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, helping my channel grow. And we're trying to do it proper. We're not trying to piss about. We're not trying to, you know, buy subs and buy likes and all that shite and cause trouble on YouTube to generate likes because everybody wants negativity in their life. Well, I don't. I want some positivity in my life. And doing things like this, taking a little couple of hours out of my daytime to do things like this, do a bit of fishing, bring a bit of content to you guys, and eventually meeting other people that want to do the same thing. And hopefully we can start to catch some fish together, people. One love always. It's getting interesting on the water. Let me find out where we are here. There. See that there, that little puddle then. So that's where we are, people. You can see us, we're bobbing. A fat juicy worm on there. You know, why don't they want the worm? What I have got, I didn't bring any maggots, but what I have got is imitation maggots. So it's like a little rubber thing, and they look like maggots, so I could stick a few of them on. And I've also got the little bloodworm things as well that I can stick on. So I might have to do a bit of trickery that way as well. See what happens, people. But already the sun's shining, it's a beautiful day, we're out here and we're doing it. You know, I'm 22 minutes on this bit of content that I filmed so far. It'll probably be edited down to about 10 minutes, but I think out of this last 10 minutes we have got a good 10-minute footage of what I'm doing so far. Focus on a bit. Focus a bit, maybe. Something's going on. There we go. So I might have to get a few of these maggots on it as well. Big yourselves up for the people buying the coffees. One love always. Yes, so people, so I've got some of these. I'm gonna stick 3 of these on, and they look like maggots, and see if that does anything with the worm on as well. Because for some reason they're not wanting my worm, man. It's fresh out of my garden, that. Bastards. Doesn't look too happy, this cunt. Sorry, mate. Throw that on there like that. Stick you back round here like that, you fucking cunt. So I'll just go with that. That looks alright, doesn't it? Fucking dirty worm. Try and fold him over again, but the spike's a bit fucking gone a bit pear-shaped. Right, that's the one. That's got to catch something here, people. One love always. Let's try it out. That'll do. Fuck off. Look at the size of these bastards. Three of them. Just gone underneath my line. Let's see if I can draw that in.
Bella, don't touch.
Alright, hello.
Hi.
You okay, love?
Come on, Bella. Smell like
It's alright, don't worry. It's okay.
Go on.
He's a big cunt here, look at him. Okay now. Some big fish here, man. Just cruising through. Oh. Some big fish cruising through here, man. What the fuck? And nothing wants my bit of fucking bread on a float. Where are we? There we are, over there. Don't know if to stick on a wire tracer, man, and get the spoons out. There's some lovely bream in here, some lovely perch. I've seen them coming past. For some reason they're not interested in the bread on the float. Don't know if I need to fish at the bottom, but I've not got that equipment with me. So yeah, I'm gonna try a few of these pellets in a minute, see if that can bring anything in, and then if not, we're gonna get on the wire tracer and yeah, man, see if we can get that pike in on the way home. But yeah, there's plenty of action in this water, people. So I will be coming back again. Yes, the people, this is AzztecMedia, and we're out here on the canal. We're not messing about now, people. Having a 420 and a sunbathe. We've got the rod in there, we've got the brewing that there, and my floats out there. I'm a real one, people. I've not really had many bites with what I'm using. So I tried the piking bit, but I kept getting snagged at the bottom, man. It's just full of fucking debris at the fucking bottom of here. So I think the float was the best option. And yeah, we're just trying it. We're just trying it, people. So yes, the people, if I catch anything, you know I will be back with the filming and all of that good stuff. I'm trying to save some battery right now. But big yourselves up anyway. Have a blessed day, everybody. And fingers crossed, and let's hope that I catch something before I go. I think I'm going to give it another half an hour and then head out home. Big yourselves up. One love always, AzztecMedia, and we fucking out. Please like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff for AzztecMedia. One love, people, one love. Back. Bye.